Hello everyone. If you are looking Coinbirds website, then this video is definitely for you. In this account, as you can see here, this is my personal account and I have 243 birds in my current account. So after the registration, I just come here and the free of gold coins I got only 250 coins or maybe 300 gold coins. I don't remember, but that gold coins I invest here to buy this big bird because its cost is only 35 gold coins, and that this big bird, the name of that big bird is every hourly produce the one single egg per hourly. So in short, you get in one day 24 eggs, that big bird, if you buy these birds after the registration. This Coinbirds website, that's the game, a game of like little bit to make money online, but definitely it's not worth it if you don't all over the follow the rules and regulations, and what they are definitely I tell you in this video. So well, let's see right now how much I have the birds. So see, this is the right now I have big birds in 51. The green birds I have in my account is 118. Yellow birds in my account 49 available because I already bought there, and that brown bird is already I bought 18. And similarly blue bird, if you see, the count is very much lower, the 5 birds, and red birds is only available 2 birds. So if you observe very carefully, then you will be realize the amount of birds once I scroll down will decreases because of the cost of birds are depends on that gold coin. See, this is a 7,500 gold coins if you want to buy that brown bird, but these birds every hourly produce the eggs 277 eggs, which is definitely worth it, and that's how the people making money online here. Because after these birds, once you get that eggs are going to that section. This is the eggs warehouse section, you can see here. So that section every hourly you see here, this is the producing eggs. So my 243 birds available here, and they produces eggs, and that's why these eggs are counting here. So if I want to sell here, so I just need to collect here first of all. So once I click here collect in front of you, and see, you have successfully collected eggs and still they are producing eggs, that birds, and definitely they never dies, these birds. So what I need to do is go to the egg selling section. I just need to click here, and you will see after this collecting that whatever the egg, counting the eggs, and I just need to click the sell all. So what will happen after the selling, 70% go to the gold coins and 30% go to the gold bars. So what are the gold coins, what are the gold bars, you will be read on that going to that website, but you see the amount is updated here. I just need to clarify you, this is the right now I earn 1730 gold bars and 4038 gold coins I just earned by selling that eggs. So gold coins definitely only useful for buying birds, and gold bars helpful for withdraw funds. So if I click here withdraw funds and I show you I already withdraw from here. So I choose the payer method because this method is definitely worth it to withdraw real money, and it's very low amount if you choose the Russian ruble, but currently they're not available. So right now you can choose euro or USD here via that payer account. I giving you description box link to payer bank too. So right now I just need to click here and put the amount here 497. I just put here the amount which we have the 98,498 gold bars, but right now I just put here the amount of 98,497. Just wanna show you how you can withdraw here. So I need to put here my bank account. Your bank account will be look like that if you have a payer account, and if you don't have a payer account, you go to description box. I giving you description box link to that, the both of website, that Coinbirds and payer too. So just sign up there and see, if you click here the order payoff, you will see also, you can see here my history. You see not enough crystals, so you require crystals, and crystals, so I can withdraw 11 euro, but if I have crystals, and crystals only you get if you have a referrals. So get referrals and earn money.